Good morning. Welcome, Sham Stars. In Chapter 5, Human Health and Disease, we discussed about different types of diseases and immunity developed by our body. So today we will learn about AIDS. The word AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. This means deficiency of immune system acquired during the lifetime of an individual. AIDS was first reported in 1981 in USA. The causative agent is human immunodeficiency virus, or we can say HIV. HIV belongs to the group of viruses called retrovirus. It has RNA genome enclosed in an envelope. HIV is transmitted by sexual contact with infected person, transfusion of contaminated blood and blood products, sharing infected needles, infected mother to unborn child through placenta. People who are susceptible to infection are drug addicts who take intravenous drug injections, individuals who are involved with multiple sexual partners, individuals who require repeated blood transfusion, children born to HIV positive mother. Now let's understand HIV life cycle. Virus enters the macrophages after entering the body of a person. RNA gets replicated to form viral DNA by enzyme reverse transcriptase. Viral DNA gets incorporated into the host cell DNA and directs the infected cell to produce virus particles. Macrophages continue to produce virus particles and thus acts as HIV factory. These virus particles enter into helper T lymphocytes in the blood, where they continue to replicate and produce viral progenies. The number of helper T lymphocytes progressively decreases in the body of the infected person, and this is how a person reduces immunity. As a result, person cannot produce any immune response even against common bacteria like Mycobacterium parasite like Toxoplasma viruses and fungi. A widely used diagnostic test for AIDS is enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, that is ELISA. Treatment of AIDS with antiretroviral drugs is only partially effective. As AIDS has no cure, prevention is the best option. Preventive measures for HIV infection are National AIDS Control Organization, set up in 1991 and under NGOs educate people about AIDS. WHO has started a number of programs to prevent the spreading of HIV infection, making blood banks safe from the HIV, ensuring the use of only disposable needles and syringes in public and private hospitals and clinics, free distribution of condoms, controlling drug abuse, advocating safe sex, and promoting regular checkups for HIV. So, children, this is all about the AIDS which we discussed in this presentation. What is AIDS? Causative agent for this disease and methods of transmission from infected person to healthy person, and preventive measures we discussed. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will be discussing about cancer and different types. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.